All right, now for the second one, this is going to be the front. This is for the front window, the front passenger's door. Now this part here was very tricky. What I had to do, a lot of people thought that this was supposed to go on the inside, right here. Hold on one second, just hold it right there. Hold it. So what you want to do is don't put it directly inside here. Okay. What you want to do is put this on the outside like that, and then put it on the inside of the seal like so. Okay, then you'll follow it up into this spot here. Okay, and you want to bend it towards you, and then slide it in. Okay. Then gradually come to this spot. Just fold it in with your hands, little by little.